How make the best Nigeria fried
rice?
rice?
This is the perfect party fried rice. Okay, we're going to be using sweet corn, carrots, gizzard and liver mixed together. We have our green beans, spring onions, runny beans, green peas and sweet corn. So we are having our green bell pepper. Spanish pepper is optional though, so you can decide to use red bell pepper because I want it to have this little. My green pepper. I go here with my cooking oil, my sliced onion and thyme. Then I go in with my blended scotch bonnet pepper, because this is where I'm gonna be using it, and I didn't want it to be red. That is why I'm adding a little quantity of it. Then I had my washed rice. I wash it thoroughly. Then I had it. I got to fry it for some time before going in with my chicken stock. I put in my green bell pepper, then I mix it together. I add a little bit of salt and a little bit of seasoning cube because I just want to season it to taste. I don't know why I run away. I'll make you cry when I run away. Take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. Save your tears for another day. Save your tears for another day. The pot is so full of the veggies already, so I managed to mix it up and stir it for some minutes. Then I decided to take a little from it and fry that separately. Then I go in with some salt because I'm gonna taste the salt and also add a little bit of seasoning. Frying the rice, we're gonna be needing butter because butter give this rice a different taste entirely. That is why I fry it with butter, not groundnut oil, not cooking oil this time around. So I fry it together. I make sure it's well fried. After then, I turn it in another bowl. Watch, guys, on how I make this perfect fried rice. My distance, 'cause I know that you don't like when I'm with nobody else. I couldn't help it, I put you through hell. I don't know why I run away. Oh girl, I'll make you cry when I run away. Girl, take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. I realize that it's much too late, and you deserve someone better. Save your tears for another day. Save your tears for another. Hi guys, if you know you love this method, ensure you like, you comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Mwah.